Mr. Beast, the single most successful YouTuber in the history of YouTube, has now launched his own burger restaurant, Mr. Beast Burgers. There's a lot we can learn as e-commerce entrepreneurs from his launch, not least of which how he actually managed to sell 1 million burgers in just 3 months. Now that took McDonald's years to do. Mr. Beast did it in a few months. Pretty bloody impressive. So in this video series, what I'm doing is I'm going to show you exactly how Mr. Beast used his brand, used what he knew, and also did some very creative marketing to grow this multi-million dollar brand so quickly, and how that's going to then go on to become, I believe, $1 billion brand. So if you like this kind of stuff, where I'm going to show you exactly how Mr. Beast is building this $1 billion brand, make sure you subscribe to this video, because I've got a series of 6 of these videos for you where we analyze different elements of his strategy, and I'm going to talk you right through it. Okay, with that being said, let's get into it. These feastable chocolate bars. So he's now gone further and further into it and extended his brand by bringing other things to the table as well. And again, you know, look how fugly this is, but it's a brand, because it's kind of similar. Yeah, it's a kind of similar thing, not particularly pretty. If you look at the tech, so if you're on in my inner circle on Thursday, I showed everybody how to do competitive analysis, competitive research, and how to dig deep into websites like this to look at the tech. Do the tech research that I've shown you on this. You'll see it's not got a very high level tech stack. These are easy, simple websites. Simple. Doesn't need to be crazy, doesn't need to be insane, okay? So he's got brand extensions that he's bringing to the table. Just like the second that you start selling something, you should immediately start thinking to yourself, what else can I sell my customers? What else will my customers want to buy? How else can I put that in front of them? And you may be thinking to yourself, you know, well, I don't know. I don't have any other products to sell them. So what am I going to do? Well, in the first instance, you should set yourself up as an affiliate. So if you don't have a product to sell, by the way, if you scroll back through Kylie Jenner's stuff, you'll see in the very, very early days, she was promoting affiliate offers, okay? This is the Amazon Associate Program. This is a very simple way to put other products in front of your customers that they would want, and you can get paid for them. The Amazon Associate Program is very, very good. I used to be, that's a long time ago, a really big affiliate for Amazon. I was selling all sorts of things, made lots of cash, flat screens, TVs, all sorts of stuff like that. And then they changed the terms of service of their affiliate program, and that particular affiliate strategy that I was using no longer worked. Okay, and so I moved on to other things. But the program itself is great. Number of people that use Amazon, 450 million. Really, really cool. Okay, so if you don't have other products, it doesn't matter. You can sign up to the associate program, and then you've got access to every single item in the Amazon catalog. Okay, so there's no shortage of products to sell. There's just a shortage of inclination to sell them. If you don't want to do Amazon, because Amazon's commissions aren't great. So here, look, it says earn up to 10%. Well, not many things that you can sell get you 10%. Most are in the 5% range, okay? But Commission Factory is fantastic. So Commission Factory sells all sorts of different things as a middleman for all sorts of different brands. So things like Calvin Klein, Shaver Shop, Pizza Hut. You can give away pizza vouchers, for instance. Air New Zealand, all sorts of different things. Lululemon. Big name brands use Commission Factory in Australia for their particular affiliate program. So again, if you don't have products, it doesn't matter. The idea is once you've sold one thing to somebody, they're more predisposed to buy from you again because they've proven they know you, like you, trust you. Okay. In that situation, you can then sell them other things. And that's a very simple way of doing it. The other way, of course, is with the Aliexpress affiliate program. If you haven't had a look at that, it's very, very good. They've got loads and loads and loads of products again. So that's 3 solid places you can find, you know, millions of products that you could become an affiliate for to put them through your own particular business. Okay, so it's a good idea. Once you've sold one thing, once it's done once, sell other things. Increase your lifetime value of those customers at every opportunity you get. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are over 2,500 of us now. We're actually the largest professional community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you would like to find out more about what we do, and of course how we can help you either get started or indeed build your own e-commerce business, grow and build your own business, get yourself off to www.aussieontrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is right underneath this video in the description, and I will see you on the inside. Bye for now.